Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are complete. Everyone owns 3008, has matching game versions, and allows joins. Once done, open Roblox, check your friends list, and ask your friend for their current server region or join link. Make sure to toggle any privacy settings that block invites, and confirm the exact username spelling. Now open 3008 quickly. Locating the same server early reduces desync and makes the next steps, server matching and spawn coordination, far easier. You now focus on entering the same instance. Use friends join inside Roblox to hop into a friend's active 3008 server. If that option is unavailable, ask them to open the server browser and send the server ID or invite link. Once in, open the in-game player list and locate their username. Pay attention to spawn locations and map quadrant, move toward the same quadrant to converge. Once you've confirmed proximity on the list, coordinate a safe meeting spot to avoid hostile NPCs or server resets. You finish by coordinating a meeting and handling hiccups. Agree on a clear landmark, move there together, and check visibility. If you see one another, lock position and start your session. If you can't, relog both clients or have one switch to a different region and retry joining. This often fixes ghosting or desync. Use in-game chat or a voice call to synchronize movement. If problems persist, verify game version and privacy settings again. Then repeat the join sequence until successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.